Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Facebook couldn't refresh feed, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connections. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just open cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Another thing you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down and find software update, just tap on it, and just if you see here download and install, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.